Sheng Machinery Technology Company Limited, established in 2018, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale and service of food retort, packaged meat sterilizer, canned food autoclave, bottled milk retort, seafood sterilizer. In addition, we are also committed to developing new products to meet the different requirements of different customers. We are located in Zhucheng City, Shandong Province with convenient transportation access. It has 215 employees. DTS is a high-tech enterprise integrating raw material supply, product R&D, process design, production and manufacturing, finished product inspection, engineering, transportation, and after-sales service. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained CE, EAC, ASME, DOSH, MOM, KEA, SAPER, CRN, CSA certificates, selling well in all cities and provinces around China. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Russia, Saudi, Turkey, Arabia, United States, Canada, Germany, Brazil, Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, Myanmar, Vietnam, Syria, Philippines, etc. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. To become the leading brand in the global food and beverage sterilization industry is the goal of DTS staff. To meet the needs of different customers, we continue innovating to develop and design flexible, customized solutions for customers. Sincerely look forward to cooperate with you.
Thank you.